Alright folks, today we are diving into the magic of guanciale, the Italian ingredient that makes all the difference. If you've been using bacon or pancetta in your pasta, it's time to meet their bold cousin, guanciale, the real hero behind iconic dishes like carbonara and amatriciana. Let's break down what makes this curd meat so special. So what's guanciale? Guanciale, say it with me, guanciale. Is curd pork jowl or cheek? Yep, that's right. It's not belly like bacon or pork side like pancetta. This curd has a higher fat content, making it super tender and rich. When cooked, it melts into a delicious crispy golden perfection with a deep porky flavor that's unmistakable. Flavor explosion. Guanciale isn't just a meat filler. It's bold, savory and little peppery with a melt in your mouth quality that other curd meats can't just match. Unlike bacon, it's not smoked, so you get the pure, rich taste of pork with a hint of garlic, salt and herbs from the curing process. This is the flavor backbone of authentic Italian pasta dishes. How is it different from a bacon or pancetta? Bacon is smoked and often leaner, so it has that signature smoky taste. Pancetta is close, but it's from the belly and doesn't have quite the same melt in your mouth quality. And guanciale is all about a rich porky flavor with a delicate crisp edge. It's the true traditional choice for recipe like carbonara and amatriciana. Once you go guanciale, you'll never go back. How to use guanciale in kitchen? As I said, carbonara, forget creamy. Guanciale is the magic ingredient, render it until crispy. Then toss with pasta, egg and pecorino romano and that's it. The guanciale fat adds all the creaminess you need. Amatriciana, guanciale gives the sauce its depth. Cook it down with tomatoes, pecorino and chili for a sauce that's equal parts spicy and savor, all by itself. Honestly, and fun fact, the name guanciale comes from guancia, which means cheek in Italian. So yes, this little game has literally been cheek to cheek with Italian cuisine for centuries. Its unique texture and intense flavor make it a secret weapon for any Italian food lover. Want to see more Italian secrets in action? Hit subscribe and give us a like so you never miss a single delicious detail. Join us in the kitchen where every ingredient has a story. Buon appetito!